Hello guys, welcome to this channel. In this video we will learn how to install Docker. So as you can see, my system, I'm running Ubuntu 22.4 LTS and norm 42. Then this is my basic configuration. So what is Docker basically is it simply allows you to create virtual environments so you don't have to install actual PHP composer on your host system. Everything will be done in like a VM or virtual machine. So I'm following this article from DigitalOcean. Okay, so let's open your terminal. Okay, let me take it aside and let's run apt update, sudo apt update. Then enter your password. So it will take a while. Make sure you are connected to internet. And next we'll copy this second command. Okay, just hit copy and go to your terminal and paste it. Then press enter. So you can see I have already installed the newest version of the apt transport. Then use that curl command. So this command will add the GPG key for the official Docker repository to your system. Okay, so let's do that. So let's clear the system, and as you can see my system already have Docker, so I will not redo that because it will add the duplicate GPG key, so I don't want that. So let me update it again. So as you can see, these are very basic steps. You can just follow through this article. So let's do this. As you can see, I have installed 5.20, which is the latest candidate. Yeah, next we install Docker. So sudo apt install docker ce. So you can see Docker is already the newest version. In your case, it will download the Docker and install in your system. Next step is to check the status of the Docker. It should be active. So if it is not active, you can just write systemctl, then start a Docker. So as you can see, mine is already running. Then next one is, so step 1 is completed. Now we'll go to step 2. Okay, then you have now let's execute Docker command without sudo. So this is optional, but I think according to me you should do that. So this will allow us to run Docker command without the sudo command later when we need it. So just add your username to the Docker group. Okay, right now if you see my user is DSP. So what we'll do, we'll copy this command sudo usermod -a capital G, then Docker. So this will create Docker group and add the user to it. So let's switch the user to DSP. So as you can see, I have switched. Now if I run this groups command, it will show me I am in Docker groups as well. So these are the groups available actually. I think by now the Docker should be installed successfully in your system. Let's test it by running a hello world image. So if you see this hello from Docker, that means Docker is successfully installed and working correctly. Let's clear the terminal. So thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Yeah, so thank you.